Okay, up for auction is an EZ machine. This is an Lee EZ Gumball Machine. This machine is in beautiful restored condition. Everything has a nice yellowish paint color to it. This has the gumball wheel in it. You can see the gumball wheel right there. All the circles. The globe may be a reproduction, as well as the label. I am not sure. The top sign bracket up here may be a reproduction. They did make them, and the sign, of course, is probably a reproduction. This top sign. The locks are later locks. They're both keyed the same. I'll show you the machine running on a nickel. Runs perfectly every time. This is a perfect working machine. Drop the nickel in. Pull the lever, and we'll do that again. Drop the nickel in, pull the lever, let it go. It has patent numbers on the cup right there, or patent dates. Has some nice pinstriping to it that someone added later. The decal appears to be original, the front tag on it. There's the side door right there. Here's the key. Key in. Turn about 90 degrees. Lock comes out, and you can open the door to the change box to get the change out of it. Key works also on the top. Like I said, the locks are keyed the same. Key in, turn about 90 degrees, and you can take the top off of the machine. Now for good measure, I'll show you the machine running once again. We'll kind of zoom in on the wheel in there and the lever. Put the nickel in, pull the lever to the side. Let it go. This machine is absolutely beautiful. It is in perfect condition. I cannot tell you whether or not the globe is original. I cannot tell. But the globe is in almost perfect condition. That's what would lead me to believe that it is a reproduction globe. Now I'll reassemble the machine. One lock, put the top sign back on there. Step over here, put the door back on, key in to unlock the lock, locks back on, and just for the hell of it, I'm going to run the machine again. Drop the nickel in, pull the lever over, let it go. Drop the nickel in, pull the lever over, let it go. It's a perfect addition to any gum collector's collection. Paint is in perfect condition all the way around the machine. Has original casting numbers. And you can even see on the bottom here, manufactured exclusively for the Adley Novelty Company, Chicago, Illinois. If you have any questions or comments, please give us a call or message us. Thank you.